Dr. Otto has already started missing General Muhoozi, who is the Chief of Defense Forces of Uganda People's Defense Forces. So Otto said the absence of General Muhoozi from Hex is more disturbing than his presence. We now can't read him or what he's up to. It's time to watch your own shadows from now on. Bakenyi doctor should be feeling the shock waves more given his records of Aliba replies. So Doctor is saying it is more worrying for Muhoozi not to be available on X platform than when he was available, because it was more easier to predict or analyze his next move than when he is no longer on the platform. And he's saying that the yes man, Balam, should be the person who is missing Muhoozi the most, saying he was the first to always reply to Muhoozi's post. Well, Dr. Otto also has been to Lira City in doing something personal, visiting somebody in the hospital. He said, today I visited Lira Regional Referral Hospital, LRH, to check on a brother who got a border accident. Lira Regional Referral Hospital conducted an open brain surgery. The patient is recovering. It is unbelievable this surgery can now be done in northern Uganda. Thanks, team. The patient got to the theater at 4:12 p.m. and came out 42 minutes past 11 p.m. What incredible hours of work. God bless you. So, yeah, he's wondering how far we have come in northern Uganda that brain surgery can now be done, and is now being conducted in Lira Regional Referral Hospital. And still to come on Acholi High TV YouTube channel is a full debate, full discussion about the cholera outbreak. For those who don't know, cholera has broken out in Lamore district in a sub-county known as Acoli, and the health officials in Lamore district have entered into serious battle with the disease. And the discussion is basically in Luo language, and those who would be waiting for it should prepare to get it straight in the local language. This is an in-depth discussion which was done on the Mighty Gang, a hot program on Mighty Fire FM, which is located in Kitgum municipality. Stay subscribed, stay close to Acholi High TV as we keep giving you updates from around Acholi, Luo, and the entire East Africa. Thank you so much.